Lecithin or something. Lecithin. Yeah. And a little bit of salt.
There's lots of lettuce. There's limited amounts of like tomatoes and stuff, so just take a small amount and then get back in line, and there'll probably be plenty.